Question number 6. In a class with 20 students, 4 students will each make a presentation to the class. What is the probability that Addison, Kate, Roxana, and Aylin are chosen in this order to give their presentation? When you're giving a presentation, you're not going to be asked to give the same presentation twice in a row, or even twice in the same class. This is without replacement. The order that you're being asked, does it matter? They're saying there's a difference between being picked first, second, third, and fourth. Because who wants to go first? Nobody. Who wants to go last? Everybody. So there's a difference. The order matters. That means it's a permutation. You don't have the same person making the same presentation in the same class. It's without replacement. You have 20 students. You can work it out logically. You have 20 choices for the first person. You have 19 choices for the second person. 18 choices for the third person. And how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 that we're asking to present, times 17 for the last person. You could work it out that way. 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 equals 116,280 possible outcomes. We could also use our formula for permutation without replacement, which is n factorial over n minus r factorial, which is 20 factorial over 20 take away 4 factorial, or 20 factorial over 16 factorial, which is exactly this. Let's demonstrate. 20 factorial divided by 16 factorial is the same number. We're going to get 116,280. That's the number of outcomes, the number of possible ways we can choose 4 people out of 20 to make their presentations. The probability that we picked Addison, Kate, Roxana, and Aylin in that order is what makes the order important. So the probability of Addison, Kate, Roxana, or Aylin is 1. This is one outcome, right, out of the 116,200. I'm not going to make that into a decimal because it's tiny. And that's it for question number 6. Have a good day.